Our GT project by Noah Avira, Gray Rulin, and Nivon Santosh.
The purpose of my GT project is to teach you about types of plants, the life cycle of a plant, plant parts, and 6 different plants. You will learn about compost, what botanist means, and results for our garden. You will also learn about different scientific names.
Types of plants. Some types of plants are herbaceous plants and woody plants. Herbaceous plants are vascular that have no persistent woody stems above the ground. Some examples of herbaceous plants are banana plants, columbines, and foxgloves. An annual plant is a plant that completes its life cycle for one long season. Some examples of annual plants are weeds and wildflowers. A biennial plant is a plant that takes 2 years to grow from seed to fruition and then die. Some examples are onions and hollyhocks.
The life cycle of a plant is seed, sprout, young plant, and adult plant. When you see a plant in a bag, it's a seed. Then you plant it and you water it, then give it sunlight, then it will start spreading out of the ground. Then it keeps on growing with the same care and turns into a young plant. Finally, it will keep on growing with the same care and it will turn into a plant that produces the same seeds. The parts of a basic plant are seeds, roots, stem, bud, leaves, flowers, and fruits. The seed starts off a plant off. A root sucks in all the nutrients in the water. The stem carries the nutrients to the bud and holds the plant up. The bud is so the flower can bloom. The leaves make the food. The flowers make the pollinators come so they can spread the pollen, and the fruit is so we can eat and survive.
Plant 2. Rainbow carrots. The rainbow carrots are the same as a carrot sprout. They have glacier-looking leaves and there are patches. Rainbow carrots do taste differently than the normal orange carrots you see now. And the last difference is obviously that they have different colors. Here are some pictures of what our garden looks. The start. This is the beginning of the sprout rainbow carrots. End. This is the end of the...
It will have a red stem and the leaves will look split in half. It will take 3 to 5 weeks to grow radishes. The best time to grow radishes are early spring and late fall. Its scientific name is Radiphanus sativus, and this is the results of our radish garden. They provide vitamin C, vitamin K, iron fiber, and vitamin A. It takes 6 to 8 weeks to grow snap peas. Snap peas has peas inside of itself. The closest match with a snap peas is an edamame, which is more better with a thicker pod, just with fewer peas. A snap pea's scientific name is Pisum sativa macrocarpin group, and these are some pictures of our snap pea. Lightish pink stems and 2 thin elongated oval leaves. It takes about 65 to 80 days to harvest a tomato. Tomatoes are also very useful. You can make ketchup with it. And here are some of our pictures of tomatoes.
Plant 6. Broccoli. A broccoli is a vegetable that looks like a mini tree. A broccoli provides fibers, vitamins, specifically vitamin A, C, and K. Broccoli closely matches the cauliflower, which looks like white broccoli. Here are some pictures of our garden just yet.
Types of growing fruits, vegetables, flower, and ornamental plants. It is also the art or practice of garden cultivation and management, and culture which means cultivate. Types of growing fruits, vegetables, flower, and ornamental plants. It is also the art or practice of garden cultivation and management, and culture.
Compost is an aerobic way of decomposing solid wastes. Compost is made of soil, old leaves, and food waste. If you want it to be good, you can find worms and put it in a barrel. Then you can spin it and check on it every day and keep on spinning it, and then it will turn into a good compost, and you can use to every day to feed on your plants.
Here are some plants. Here are some cards. This is our full garden.
We are the Garden Co!
Things, and you can say you're smart in gardening class because you watched The Grand Garden by Noah Vera, Gray Rulin, and Yvonne Santosh.